Hi students, welcome back all of you. As you know, already we solved the problems related to the topic angle measurement, that is the conversion of angle from degree measure to radian measure and from radian measure to degree measure. Today we will solve the problems from our first exercise of the NCERT textbook of this chapter, that is exercise 3.1. Let's start. Our first question is, find the radian measures corresponding to the following degree measures. The sub questions are: first, 25 degree, minus 47 degree, 30 minutes, 240 degree and 520 degree. Now we will solve these problems one by one. See, the solution for the first problem is, we know that 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radian. Then the value for 25 degree is equals to 25 into pi by 180 radian. See, this is the formula for 1 degree. Similarly, for 25 degree is equals to 25 into pi by 180 radian. Now we have to simplify this. You will get 25 degree is equals to 5 pi by 36 radian, which is the required answer. Now the solution for the second problem is, we know that 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radian. We have to calculate for minus 47 degree 30 minutes. And one more thing, this is not minus 47 degree into 30 minutes, but it is as minus 47 degree plus 30 minutes, because when we says 1 hour 20 minutes, it means 1 hour plus 20 minutes. It's not like 1 hour into 20 minutes. So it is absolutely wrong. So this can be written as minus of 47 degree plus 30 minutes. Here we have to convert this 30 minutes to degree. Then only it is possible for us to convert this full into radian. So we know that 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. Then 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 degree. So 30 minutes is equals to 30 by 60 degree. Now simplify this. You will get minus of 47 plus of 1 by 2 degree, because 31s are 30, 32s are 60. 1 by 2 you will get degree. Now take the LCM and simplify. You will get minus of 95 degree divided by 2, because here LCM is 2. 47 into 2 is 94 plus 1 is 95 and denominator is 2. So it becomes minus 95 by 2 degree. Now we have to convert this degree measure to radian measure, and 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radian. So what is the value for minus 95 by 2 degree? Which is equals to minus 95 by 2 into pi by 180 radian. On simplifying, you will get minus 19 pi by 72 radian, which is the required answer. Solution for the third problem is, we know that 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radian. Here we have to calculate for 240 degree, which is equals to 240 into pi by 180 radian. On simplifying this, you will get 4 pi by 3 radian, because this 0 cancel, and 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, it becomes 4 pi by 3 radian. Therefore, the value for 240 degree is 4 pi by 3 radian. Now, the solution for the fourth problem is, we know that 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radian. Here we have to calculate for 520 degree, which is equals to 520 into pi by 180 radian. Here, on simplifying this, you will get 26 pi by 9 radian, because this 0 cancel, and 2 9s are 18, 2 26 is 52, so it becomes 26 pi by 9 radian. This is the required answer. Therefore, the value for 540 degree is 26 pi by 9 radian. Thank you. In the next class, we will solve the next remaining questions. Thank you.